students, we are going to discuss potential energy of a point charge. What is potential energy of a point charge? Point charge means the charge which is very small in size. Point charge. Q लिहिलं तरी चालतं. Coordinate axis. Let P be any point with position vector r. What is the meaning of position vector? Distance from the origin of the coordinate axis, students. Imagine this is x, this is y, and this is z axis. Let P be any point with position vector r, means distance from the origin. Okay, that's it. If a unit positive charge, let me say already, let me repeat, let P be a point with position vector r where already there is an external field or already there is a field, electric field. Already electric field is present. Students, if I want to get a charge Q from infinity to the point P, I have to perform work. Work against what? I have to perform work against what? That is electric field, which is already there. Let me clear. Electric field is not produced due to this charge. Electric field is already present at point P due to some might be external influence, some reason, some strong reason. Already there is a presence of external electric field at point P. If I want to get a charge Q from infinity to point P in the XOY plane, in the point P with position vector r, I have to perform work. What is the formula for work? Work is charge multiplied by position electric potential with position vector r. What is the meaning of position vector r? Means electric potential is at point P at a distance vector r from the origin. That's it. I'll repeat it again. Consider a point P surrounded by an electric field, okay, which is an external electric field with position vector r. If I want to get a test charge Q from infinity to point P, I have to perform work. The formula for work done is charge multiplied by electric potential at point P with position vector r. What is electric potential? Electric level. त्याला electric potential म्हणतात. हा formula आहे मुलांनो. Work done is charge multiplied by electric potential with position vector r. Where does the work done go? The work done is stored in this charge in the form of potential energy. So how do you write here? Where does the work done go? It is stored in the form of potential energy, not electric potential. Potential ही level झाली, energy ही work done झाली. तुम्हाला वर्क करावं लागतं from infinity to bring the charge to the in the external electric field. The work done is stored in the form of potential energy, and that potential energy is denoted by the letter Q, U, which is given by the charge multiplied by the potential. ही level आहे. Level कशामुळे तयार झालं? Electric field which is already present in advance at point P. बघा हा, point P is in the XOY plane with position vector r. What is the meaning of position vector? Distance from the origin vectorially. बाण घातला जातो कारण डायरेक्शन कन्सिडर करावं लागतं. Let VR be the electric potential at point P due to already an electric field present. समजा if I want to get a test charge Q which has nothing to do with this field, from infinity to point P I have to perform work. Work done is given by charge multiplied by potential. Where does the work done go? It is stored in the form of potential energy. Important. नीट हेडिंग बघा. परवा काय केलेलं आणि आज काय करणार. परवा आपण we had calculated the potential energy of system of 2 point charges, but no external electric field was present. I'll repeat. The other day we had calculated the potential energy of system of charges without external field. म्हणजे ऑलरेडी इथं फील्ड काही नाहीये. जे काय खेळ आहे ते दोन चार्जेस मधला आहे. टुडे आय एम नॉट गोइंग टू डू लाईक दॅट. आता बघा, potential energy of a system of 2 point charges in an external electric field means what? Means this. ऍक्च्युली डायग्राम टेक्स्टबुक मध्ये नाहीये, एक रेफरन्स म्हणून तुम्हाला दाखवते. ओके, ऑलरेडी इमॅजिन इन दिस XOY plane there is an external field already present. This is charge Q1 with position vector R1. This is charge Q2 with position vector R2. Q1 and Q2 are separated by distance R12. That's it. Now Q2 नाहीच आहे असं गृहीत धरा. इथं आहे काय? फक्त एक्सटर्नल इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड जसं इथं आहे ऑलरेडी प्रेझेंट इन ॲडव्हान्स ॲट दिस पर्टिक्युलर पॉइंट. लेट मी मार्क इट ॲज A. ओके, इफ अ चार्ज Q1 इथं मी ऑलरेडी त्याला आणलंय. हां, आता असं इमॅजिन करा की फक्त ह्या XOY प्लेन मध्ये एक्सटर्नल इलेक्ट्रिक फील्डच आहे. Q1 Q2 कोई भी नहीं है. इफ आई गेट अ चार्ज Q1 from infinity to point A, I have to perform work. Why? Because already there is external electric field present in this XOY plane. I repeat, imagine there is no Q2, there is no Q1, there is only external electric field. If I want to get Q1 from infinity to point A, I have to perform work. Work against what? That external electric field which is already present. And what is that work done given by? Potential energy, which is stored in the form of potential energy, which is given by what? Use this formula. Charge कुठला आणताय? Q1. कुठं आणताय? External electric field at position where? With position vector R1. Okay, ends the job. U1 झाला तो. Next, if the charge Q2, आता Q1 ला आपण आणलंय, आता Q2 ला आणूया. If I want to get a charge Q2 from infinity to the position vector R2, I have to perform work in two ways. What is that? एक तो charge Q2 is under the external electric field, due to which the work done Q2 is brought in an external electric field which was already there. The work done is given by Q2 as per this equation VR2. Vector R2, it's a multiplication ची घेणं देणं नाहीये. It only represents the position of potential from the origin. Not only that, I have to perform work. Work is also done by the charge Q2 due to the force of repulsion of charge Q1. So work is done in two ways. एक, to overcome the external electric field, and the other to overcome the force due to the charge Q1. And what is that? That is this. Work done is 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 divided by R12. Now you may ask me, teacher, R12, the distance of separation between the two charges. Students, when you are getting Q1, there was only external electric field. So work had to be done only against the external electric field. But when you are getting Q2, work had to be done in two different parts. One to overcome the external electric field and one to overcome the force of repulsion due to Q1. म्हणजे दोन तऱ्हेने वर्क करावं लागतं. One to overcome the force of repulsion due to Q1 and one to overcome the influence of the electric field. So what is the total work done here? आपण त्याला U2 लिहूया. So what is the total work or the total potential energy required to assemble the charges in the external electric field? It is a potential energy due to Q1 plus total potential energy due to Q2. And what is that? That is this. This is the total potential energy required to assemble the charges. That is Q1 VR1 plus Q2 VR2 plus 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 divided by R12. I'll repeat. Potential due to total energy due to charge Q1 plus total energy due to charge Q2, which is divided into two parts, that is Q2 VR2 plus 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q. हे expression आहे जे तुम्ही already केले. 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 divided by R12. This is the total potential energy of the system of 2 point charges in an external electric field. आता 3 आणला तर वर्क ड्यू टू एक्सटर्नल इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड प्लस वर्क ड्यू टू Q1 प्लस वर्क ड्यू टू Q2 असं होत जातं ते. कळतंय? इथं फक्त 2 पॉइंट चार्जेस आहेत. इट्स व्हेरी इझी टू डिराइव्ह. आर यू ओके? व्हॉट आय सेड? दॅट्स इट. हे बघून घ्या. Is it okay? Is it okay, students? Zara? Yes. So for today I will stop. We'll continue tomorrow again with more concepts. Yes? Sure.